Hello, I'm fishing.
Hold on, I didn't start it yet. Okay, go.
Hello, I'm fishing. Watch that.
Joey's going fishing for the second time with Mama. Hey, cast it far out there. Let's see how far you can do it. Well, that didn't go very far, silly.
Sorry.
Reel it back in and try again.
Okay.
You're not going to catch nothing that close to shore.
Here's Joey trying again.
All right, throw it out there as far as you can. Joey, you do it really good at home with your practice thing. Do it just like you play with your play one at home.
Oh, that
Push the button and... Alright, I can see this isn't going well being videotaped.
Hold on, one more time. One more time. I see my fire.
Pay no attention to the camera. Oh, that was great. That was much better. Good job. Oh, you're getting bites. Reel it in. Reel it. Anytime you see that bobber bob up and down. Slower, Joe. You gotta give him a chance to get it. I think they got that worm.
Oh, it's heavy.
Did I not record that whole thing?